Okay, yeah.
Hi, Lisa.
Hi. So,
Let's talk about your first lesson in Spanish
yes.
and your plan for it. So, you said in Unit 1 you're going to talk about the countries that speak Spanish, right? And then you're going to introduce, well, you inform them about the material they're going to use, the iPad, internet. Well, this is because the school needs internet connection worksheet and okay. You before you start, you said you're going to introduce yourself to them, say your name, which language you using.
Yes. First I'm gonna start talking in English. This class will be mostly in English, but then I'm gonna switch to Spanish
Okay.
because they have to get used to the Spanish.
Okay.
The language.
I'll tell you one thing. I mean, myself, I would introduce myself slowly in Spanish.
Instead of English. Okay. Okay.
I just say my name because if I say my name, they come into my classroom knowing my name, and if I say it slowly in Spanish, they will
Remember.
understand.
Okay.
So I say my name and then I ask them their names.
Okay.
I ask them their names and then they would say
Okay.
their names. Okay? Now, so this you can add. I mean, actually, they will learn because they are the first day. They are really eager to learn. Okay, for the activity one. Activity one, you put between 15 to 20 minutes. Just ice break. Activity to know each other, to ask them about their origin and their names. Okay, it's good. It can last 20 minutes.
Okay.
It's true. Activity 2, you have 10 minutes. This is to ask the students why they choose the Spanish language. I always do that because we would like to know why they are there, why they want to learn the language. And then you have in activity 3, you saying you put a video here to talk about the importance of the language.
Yes. Yes.
Spanish language spoken nowadays. Okay. Then you have in activity 3, you put like from 20 minutes to 25 minutes. Student, they have to answer some question about what they find interesting about the video and what is new information, what is new for them. Okay. Okay. But this, they have to write it in English, right?
Yes, I thought they would write it in English, but I don't know, maybe.
Okay, of course it's too early to write in Spanish,
Yes.
but I think the activity is too long.
Okay, okay. Yes, it will.
Yeah, I mean, between, if we just watch the video and it's like 3 minutes and then we have like 25 minutes, maybe
Yes.
it's too long.
I
I don't know, maybe just orally they can just
Okay.
they can say it in English, but orally they can just answer the question. I
You're
think.
right. I didn't
Okay.
think about it.
Activity 4, you have these 10 minutes. Each student will write and they have to say why they want to learn Spanish. So I think this you already you can work this in activity 1 when you ask them to choose why they choose the Spanish language. So
Okay,
you
so-
can, yeah.
Just
So you can here start just asking them and then making them repeat questions like saying their names, asking somebody's names,
Okay.
saying their age, and repeating that several times. I swear it works.
Okay.
They end up at least knowing something in first lesson.
in the first lesson. Okay.
Yeah. For activity 5, I think you need to, because you have here, after making students understand the importance of learning a new language and that Spanish is the third language spoken in the world, I will explain my expectation about the class and about the behavior of the class. Okay? This is good. We always have to tell about our rules. But I think you'll have to talk about what are they going to learn.
Okay.
Just briefly,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
they're going to learn how to communicate with natives. I mean, maybe the basic because it's Spanish one, but it's good to mention it.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
this will encourage them, motivate them. I'm going to learn how to communicate, or not to be fluent, but to be able to communicate with a native.
Okay.
And just bear in mind that many they just travel and they like to know how or to understand the other. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And then to say goodbye. Okay, so what I would add in this last activity, say goodbye to students, ask them to leave their post in a specific way, while in the classroom, okay? Tell them that in your classroom, when they come the following day, they have just to say